You're watching Video Vocab by BusinessEnglishPod.com. In this lesson, we'll look at vocabulary related to manufacturing. Companies manufacture goods in plants or factories, where they put together raw materials or various parts and components into a final product. We'll cover ideas such as fabrication, as well as the assembly line where goods are assembled. Manufacturers rely on quality control, or QC, to ensure the quality of their finished goods. Manufacture. Manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of making goods or products, especially on a large scale. Manufactured goods range from simple pencils to advanced airplanes.
Canada sells wood to China, where it is used to manufacture furniture for the North American market.
Plant. Factory. Manufacturing normally takes place in large buildings called plants or factories. In a plant, goods are created through a combination of machines and human labor.
Jaguar Land Rover's new plant in Slovakia, the company's third overseas factory, will employ almost 3,000 workers.
Raw materials.
Raw materials.
Raw materials are the basic materials used in the manufacturing process. This includes natural resources such as oil, wood, and metals.
Because South Korea lacks natural resources, its economy relies on raw materials imported from other countries.
Components. Parts. Manufactured products may be built from smaller components or parts. Some products are actually made up of thousands of tiny components made by other companies.
The iPhone is built from components made by several other companies, including Samsung, Broadcom, and ST Micro.
Fabrication.
Fabrication.
Generally, fabrication is the making of a product by combining different parts. Fabrication can also refer to the manufacture of products made exclusively from metal, such as car bodies or steel frames.
Construction of a new warehouse started with the fabrication of a steel framework for the building.
Assemble. Assembly line. Assembling means putting together various parts in the manufacturing process. Assembly is usually done in an organized sequence of workstations called an assembly line.
Most Boeing airlines are assembled in the Seattle area from parts that are made in countries all over the world.
Quality control. QC. To ensure consistency in manufacturing, companies use quality control, or QC. This involves inspecting products for problems or testing them to make sure they work correctly.
Before being sold, every one of our machines passes through our QC division, where it is inspected for flaws or defects.
Finished goods.
Finished goods.
The final results of the manufacturing process are finished goods. Finished goods have passed inspection and are ready to be distributed to customers.
Our manufacturing process transforms raw materials into finished goods in a matter of hours.
Now it's your turn to practice some of the words we've looked at in this lesson. In a moment, you'll hear a series of sentences with a word replaced with a beep. Repeat each sentence, including the missing word. For example, if you hear,
We carefully inspect all finished before shipping them to retailers.
you can say,
We carefully inspect all finished goods before shipping them to retailers.
We'll provide the correct answer after each question. Ready? Let's give it a go.
It is cheaper to buy to make our products than manufacture those parts ourselves. Answer. It is cheaper to buy the components to make our products than manufacture those parts ourselves.
Manufacturing costs have gone down since the price of raw, like copper, have dropped. Answer. Manufacturing costs have gone down since the price of raw materials like copper have dropped.
A minor electrical problem forced the assembly to shut down for a few hours. Answer. A minor electrical problem forced the assembly line to shut down for a few hours.
That's all for this episode of Video Vocab. Be sure to check out our website at www.videovocab.tv for more videos on business English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.